Ever pondered the sensation of stepping foot on the moon? It's an adventure that begins with a gaze out into the cosmos, where Earth, our home, and the moon, our destination, coexist in the vast expanse of space. The journey is not a simple one, with almost 240,000 miles separating us from our lunar neighbor, and countless challenges that lie in wait. Now imagine being strapped into a spacecraft, ready to begin this epic voyage. Feel your heart pound as the countdown reaches zero and the engines roar to life. Suddenly, you're thrust back into your seat, the immense power of the rocket beneath you propelling you upwards. The ground falls away rapidly, and the once familiar landscape becomes a distant panorama. The force of gravity tugs at you, a constant reminder of the Earth you're leaving behind. The sky transitions from a pale blue to a deep enveloping black, speckled with a billion stars. The Earth, our home, shrinks into a brilliant sphere suspended in the vast expanse of space. Continents, oceans, and clouds blend into a swirling marble of blue and green, a breathtaking spectacle that captivates and humbles in equal measure. As Earth fades into the distance, we find ourselves hurtling through the cosmos. The silence of space envelops us, a stark contrast to the roaring engines that launched us on this journey. We're no longer earthbound, but travelers on a cosmic adventure. Space, the final frontier, is now our path to the moon. It's an awe-inspiring journey that takes us millions of miles away from the familiar landscapes of Earth. As we venture further into the cosmos, the Earth becomes a tiny blue dot, lost in the vast expanse of the universe. The journey isn't quick. It takes about 3 days to travel from Earth to the moon. That's 72 hours of floating in the void, suspended between two celestial bodies. During this time, astronauts have a strict schedule to follow. They monitor the spacecraft systems, conduct experiments, and even exercise to keep their muscles active. But there's also time for contemplation. Imagine looking out the spacecraft window and seeing nothing but the infinite blackness of space, punctuated by distant stars. It's a sight that reminds you of your insignificance in the grand scheme of the universe, and yet it also underscores the audacity of human ambition that we dare to venture into this vastness. Space is a lonely place. There are no landmarks, no sounds, and no company apart from your fellow astronauts. The isolation can be intense, but it's also a time for introspection, a chance to reflect on the human spirit that propels us towards exploration and discovery. Days later, the moon looms ahead, a beacon guiding us towards our destination. Its craters and valleys, illuminated by the sun, beckon us closer. The anticipation mounts. We are about to step into the unknown, to tread where only a handful have trodden before. As we draw nearer, the moon's craters and mountains come into stark relief. It's as if we're looking at an alien world, and yet it's a part of our own cosmic neighborhood. The moon, our closest celestial companion, unfolds before us in all its desolate grandeur. The lunar landscape is a tapestry of light and shadow, a testament to the relentless bombardment it has endured over billions of years. Each crater, each mountain, each valley tells a story of resilience and survival in the most inhospitable of conditions. The anticipation builds as we prepare for landing. The spacecraft descends slowly, drawn in by the moon's meager gravity. The surface grows closer and closer, a barren expanse of grey dust and rugged rocks. The moment is almost surreal. We're about to land on the moon, to set foot where only a handful have tread before. Touchdown! We've landed on the moon, a place few have ever ventured. We've made it to the moon, but our journey is far from over. The lunar surface stretches out before us, a vast expanse of mystery and intrigue waiting to be explored. Imagine, if you will, the secrets hidden beneath the moon's craggy exterior. Could there be precious minerals, remnants of cosmic events, or perhaps even clues to the origin of life itself? Each crater and crevice holds a story, waiting for us to uncover and reveal to the world. As we set foot on this alien landscape, we're not just astronauts, we're detectives of the cosmos, piecing together the puzzle of our universe. The moon, silent and still, holds its breath as we prepare to delve into its depths. What will we find? What stories will we tell? The answers are just beyond the horizon. Stay tuned for the next part of our lunar expedition. Our adventure has just begun.